Looking for the best electric hedge trimmer that's both quiet and effective? This 22-inch Greenworks corded hedge trimmer delivers smooth, powerful cutting without the noise and hassle of gas tools, and its sleek design keeps your yard work clean and simple. The 4-amp motor powers through your hedges with minimal vibration, slicing effortlessly through bushes and shrubs. But here's just one thing before we dive in. Check out the links we've placed in the description to see the latest deals and related options. Right out of the gate, you'll feel the solid build of this Greenworks trimmer. With dual-action 22-inch carbon steel blades, it's designed to maximize efficiency while minimizing your effort. This means you're getting a steady, smooth cut at 2,200 strokes per minute, helping you tackle up to 5/8-inch branches with ease. It's ideal for mid-sized shrubs and bushy areas, but what makes it stand out is the innovative 180 degrees rotating handle. The handle allows for multiple cutting angles without the need to twist your wrist, making vertical and horizontal trims smoother and faster. So whether it's trimming low hedges or reaching higher branches, the handle design adds both comfort and flexibility. Power cords can be annoying, but Greenworks keeps that in check with a 7-inch cord and a smart cord lock system. It holds your extension cord securely in place, so accidental unplugging won't slow you down. Yes, it's a corded model, but with the consistent non-stop power it delivers, you don't need to worry about battery charging, swapping, or fading in the middle of a project. Plus, for homeowners who are sensitive to noise or emissions, it's a cleaner, quieter alternative to gas models. Let's talk size and weight. This trimmer is sturdy yet manageable for most users. Some users with limited strength found it slightly heavy, especially for longer trimming sessions, but overall it's lighter than many alternatives, making it an easy-to-handle choice for most residential projects. A bit of oiling on the blades keeps them gliding smoothly, especially if you're trimming dense or sticky foliage like lilacs or evergreens. And speaking of durability, Greenworks backs this tool with a solid 4-year warranty, giving you peace of mind for years of reliable service. If you need a solution for thicker, more stubborn branches, stick around, because up next, we'll dive into the best heavy-duty lopper for handling up to 2-inch branches. It's on the screen and ready to play.